Want to create a VMX account but don't know how to? Well, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a VMX account. So first, what you have to do is open your VMX app. Then click on Don't Have an Account Signed Up Now button. After that, simply write your first name. Then select your country. Here I'm going to select mine. After selecting your country, simply write your phone number. Then write your email address. And then create a strong password. Then click on I agree to all terms and conditions. Simply click on continue. Then there you go, your VMX account is ready to use. Simply click on skip. And here it is completely ready to use. Make sure to like, share and follow if you found this video helpful, and do make sure to share this with your friends who want to use VMX as well.